Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? Fine. Hi to all. Now today we will going to use again Tizzy first tool, picture book.
Picture book.
We click on picture book.
Picture book.
Now
which picture is first in the story?
Which picture will be first in the story? This one or that one? Now this one is first in the story. It is very easy software. The kids nursery, KG and playgroup will be enjoy that one. Yes, correct.
Which picture is last?
This one is last.
Well done.
Well done.
You have finished the story.
You go for the other story also.
Which picture is first in the story?
Which one is the first?
Which picture
It is next in the story. Which picture is last in the story?
Is last in the story. Well done.
You complete this one also.
Finished the story.
And we will go for the other.
Which picture?
Now we go for the opposite.
Opposites.
Picture both and opposite now. Now you will see.
What is the opposite of asleep?
Asleep. Which one? This one?
Should. Should. Go.
Yes, sleep back. Yes.
Hooray! Awake is
Awake.
the opposite of asleep.
Now you go for the next.
What is
The opposite of short.
Short.
Short hair and long hair.
Long. Asleep. Old.
Yes.
Well done. Long is the opposite of short.
Empty.
What is the opposite of empty? Run. Dark. Full.
Yes. Very easy
That's right.
software for nursery, KG and
empty.
playgroup. Okay, now let's see. We complete the work now. We'll go outside. We will click here for quit and we'll close that one.